Hello students, today we will discuss the topic economic importance of fungi. As we know, fungi is a very important genre and it has various economic importance in our day-to-day life. As we know, fungi is a group of single-celled multinucleate organisms that live by decomposing and absorbing the material on which they grow. Basically, fungi is a very important division which has various applications in our day-to-day life. So, we have to discuss the economic importance of fungi. Fungi can work in various ways for our use, but an important role of fungi is as decompose. The fungi are used as decompose as they can decompose lignin and cellulose, which free living bacteria can't digest. We know the organic matter variously contains lignin and cellulose and they are not digested and creates pollution. So fungi are used as decomposers. Fungi releases enzymes on dead and decayed manner. This enzyme digests the matter by solubilizing it. Soluble products are taken by fungi for their use. So, as we have lots of pollutants, they are decomposed by fungi. Now, another application of fungi is mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic relationship between fungus and roots of vascular plants. Mycorrhiza helps to increase the nutrient uptake by the plants. Mycorrhiza also helps to increase the drought resistance by the plants by increasing the absorption of water. Mycorrhiza is also helping in insect resistance for various types of plants. Now, another application of fungi is fungi as food. Various types of fungi are edible and we can have them or we can eat them. The most commonly used fungi are mushrooms, as we all know that fungi as mushrooms we eat in various types of forms, and the name is Agaricus campestris. Puffballs known as Lycopodron and Clavacea, Gookie, these are used in fungi as food, but before consuming mushrooms you should wash them properly as they can be poisonous. Now, fungi can also be used in medicines. Fungi produces many potential metabolites which are used in medicines. They can be ergot. Ergot is the most powerful drug obtained from Sclerotia of Claviceps purpura. It is used to increase blood pressure or it is used in delivering a baby to improve uterine contractions. Now, antibiotics. Antibiotic is a substance obtained from an organism and introduced and used to protect against various types of diseases. The antibiotics obtained from fungi are penicillin, clavicin, gracifolin, etc. And we know that in today's life, as we all suffer from various types of disease and we have to consume antibiotics in order to prevent such type of diseases. Fungi have various industrial uses also. Basically, the fungi is used in fermentation industry and is used for producing various types of wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, and also used to produce citric acid and oxalic acid. Thank you.